So
TMI.
that was Carter. Carter's on Netflix. Check it out. I think
Yeah.
it came out this year, possibly last year, possibly
It just got
whenever.
on
I don't
Netflix to
know.
us, as far as I seen it.
Awesome. Well, they need to stop doing because I changed my subtitles to English because I forgot. They need to start hiring different voice actors because that one white person and white man, or the one Asian lady and the one Asian man, don't sound like all Asian people.
Yeah, what everybody voice be the same. You're like, God damn it!
But
Like I don't
I
know
thought that
when.
was her.
I thought that other person was talking. Yeah,
Yeah, that's not fair.
that's annoying.
You know they have different sounding voices. I just want to throw that out there, just in case y'all didn't know that. So yeah, let's do better on that one. Undomesticated John on all.